Christmas is around the corner and I have started my preparations. Hi everyone, my name is Gauri and welcome back to my channel. For the craft, I am using a piece of cardboard. You can easily find waste cardboard in your house and you just have to cut them in round shape. You can use an X-Acto knife or the craft knife to cut the center part. Now I am using some colorful sheets to make leaves. We are making a beautiful wreath here. Paper crafts are extremely beneficial. The tutorials are extremely beneficial for the students because obviously they get the projects during festival times. Here I have made all the leaves and now I have to make a beautiful rose flower. For the flower I am using a red sheet and I am making squares actually. You can take any size, 4x4, 6x6, any size will work. They are 4 square pieces of 4x4 size and now I am making a triangle like this. Then again I am folding the paper in one more triangle. Then again I am folding the paper for the third triangle. Now I am cutting it like this. And I have to cut the top part as well. Now open it and you will find a beautiful flower shape. You have to do the same with all the pieces, all the 4 pieces. Now you have to look carefully that here I am cutting one petal, again one petal, now 2 petals, and now 3 petals. Then you have to make small cuts like this. Now fold the petals very gently so that they will look like a cute flower, and repeat the same step with every piece. And now we are sticking everything. I am using Fevicol here. And our beautiful rose is ready. I need some more flowers, so I am making one spiral rose. You just have to make a circle like this, and then you have to cut it in a spiral form, spiral shape like this. So our material is ready, the paper stuff that we have made is ready, and now I am sticking everything on my wreath. I have made 2 more spiral roses of white color. They are red colored pom-poms that I am going to stick here. This part is done now, and for the finishing touch I am using golden acrylic color here. Here I am painting some stars and snowflakes with white acrylic color. Now I am using a white thread to hang it. Now it's done. Hope you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Merry Christmas.